Hello, welcome to FlexiEle HRMS software. This video is an overview of attendance module and what are the ways through which that attendance data can be captured in the system. Well, there are four ways through which the attendance data can be captured in the system. So let's start. So the first way of capturing is through biometric attendance. Biometric attendance keeps the track of schedule of the employees. So it accurately records the entry and the exit of the individual. Such type of attendance can be captured in system in different forms like biometric cards, scanning of fingerprints, or face recognition technology. To get the biometric implemented in the system, we need to get the integration done with the biometric vendor. The biometric attendance can be captured in multiple ways, like vendor will push the data in the cloud and the system will fetch the data from the cloud. Another way could be fetching the attendance directly from their server, or the vendor would push the data in our server and that would reflect in the attendance screen. Next way of capturing the attendance in the system is through virtual biometric with geolocation. In this type of attendance, we are creating a hypothetical fencing around the office location. This fencing is created through a radius, latitude and longitude of that location. So whenever employee enters that defined radius, he would be able to mark the attendance through mobile. So for example, if the radius is 200 meters or 500 meters, then employee will be able to mark the attendance when he enters 200 meters from the office. Using FlexiEle mobile application, the employee will mark himself in and out. In both the cases, in and out, the time will get captured and that time would be the attendance for that particular day. Next type of attendance is virtual biometric without geolocation. As the name suggests, we are not creating any geolocation, we are not creating any fencing around such type of attendance. It means that employee needs to be at his office location to mark himself in and out. And as there would not be any fencing applied, when employee marks himself in, the time will be captured as in time, and when the employee will mark himself out, the time will get captured as out time. The other way of capturing the attendance in the system is through this disabled option. This type of attendance is used when we do not want to capture the attendance timing in the system. So the employee will have to log in the system, go to ESS, leave an attendance and my attendance. Once he clicks on these tick icon, he will be marked as present in the system for that particular date. Now, such type of attendance can have two kind of approval process. One would be that it gets auto approved from the employee as he marks himself present. Second kind is to get it approved through a supervisor or a reporting manager. So once the employee marks himself present, it goes for approval to reporting manager or to the immediate supervisor. And once the manager approves the attendance, the employee will be considered as present for that day. And till the time the manager approves the attendance, he will be reflecting as unapproved present for that day. Apart from these attendance, the employee can be kept on roster where they will have to work under predefined shifts. That shifts are created through different screens in the system like shift management. Another feature that we offer from the system is the default attendance. So when you have a category of employees who are to be marked as present by default or who are to be marked as absent by default, you can come on the screen, map the employee, click on default attendance. So if there is any category of the employees like CEO or MD who are going to be present for all the time, then choose present. And if the employee is going to be by default absent, then choose absent. Other than this, there are multiple attendance sheets through which the data can be captured in the system. So this is it for this attendance session. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for joining us today.